Hi guys, now I'm gonna talk about drugs. Methamphetamine belongs to a group of drugs called amphetamine type stimulants like ecstasy. It is manufactured in illegal laboratories and sold in powder, tablet, or crystal form. It could be swallowed, sniffed, smoked, or injected. Over the short term, users tend to lose their appetite, start to breathe faster, and sweat due to increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Taking in a large dose would make users feel restless and irritable and could induce panic attacks. Taking in excessive does not result in convulsions, seizures, and death from respiratory failure, stroke, or heart failure. Ecstasy goes around by the names E-Snackies and New Yorkers. The drug, usually made in illegal laboratories, consists of a range of substances and that make it dangerous to consume. It comes in the form of tablet, powder, capsule, and usually swallowed but could also snorted or injected. So, ang paggamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot ay hindi makakabuti sa isang tao. Magdudulot ito ng maraming hindi magandang gawain tulad ng pagnanakaw, mga illegal na gawain, ganun. Ang paggamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot ay walang magandang maidudulot sa buhay ng isang tao dahil puro problema lang ang madadala nito sa buhay mo. Isa sa mga dahilan ng pagiging pariwara ng isang tao, paggawa ng mga bagay na hindi makakabuti, like pagnanakaw, pang-hold up, ganun. Yun lang po ang maisi-share ko sa inyo ngayong araw. Salamat.